Welcome to Unity Wireless, where we guide you through the process of inserting a micro-sized SIM card into your tablet. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth setup. 1. Locate the SIM card on the side of your tablet. 2. Unbox your tablet, remove the seal, and peel off the plastic film. 3. Take off the tablet case to access the SIM slot. 4. Pop out the medium-sized SIM card and carefully insert it into the tablet. Visualize the SIM indicator to verify the correct orientation. 5. Gently press the SIM card in with your nail until you hear a satisfying click. 6. Power up your device using the button located on the right side. Now you're all set to enjoy your Unity wireless experience.